How to fix unable to verify age on Steam. Here's how it works. First, open up Steam, then click on Steam in the top left corner, go into settings. Now you want to go into downloads, and first you want to clear the cache, so click on clear cache. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second thing that we need to do, which is clicking on our profile name in the top right corner this time and going to store preferences. Here, make sure all of these are checked like so. And also you need to go into account details and add a payment method. So here you will add a payment method to your account, which should verify your age. And the last thing that you have to check is family management, or rather here store preferences. Make sure you don't have a family account linked to it. So again, maybe family management. Here, make sure you have not joined a family and that you do not have any family restrictions added to your Steam account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.